Good morning, students. Jayadash here. Today, from data handling, we are doing that kind of sums where we have to find median when the number of observation is even. Previous sums we have done when the number of observation is odd, and in that case we are finding the middle one when we have arranged them in ascending order. But we know that when the number of observation is even, then we have to do something different. Let us see one example. Find the median of 10, 32, 17, 19, 21, 22, 9 and 35. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means even numbers. And in this kind of sums, first step is we have to arrange the observations in ascending order. So we have arranged it in ascending order as usual: 9, 10, 17, 19, 21, 22, 32 and 35. Now we know that the formula is to find the even number of observations, median of even number of observation. What is the formula? Formula is half value of n by 2th observation. What is n by 2 means? N by 2, when n is 8, then n by 2 means 8 by 2. 8 by 2th observation. That means 4th observation. When they are arranged in ascending order, 4th observation is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th observation is this one. And plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. N by 2 again 4 plus 1, that means 5th observation. This one means 5th observation and this one means 4th observation. So come to the data. Come to the data again. This one is 4th observation and this one is 5th observation. We have to find these two, value of 4th observation and value of 5th observation we have to add. After that we have to find their average. So in easy way, what we can say, if it is not so easy for you, then you can do easy way also. Come back in this ascending orders form. Now cancel this first one, last one, second one, second last, third one, third last. Now these two observations are left. Now as these two observations are left, we have to find their average, their mean. So to find their mean, what I will do? I will do 19 plus 21 by 2, and this is our median actually. When we have find out the first one, last one, second one, second last, third one, third last. Middle two portions are left where we can cancel, then nothing will be there. So what I will do, I have to find out the middle number between these two numbers. So to find this, I will add 19 plus 21 by 2. See, the result is 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry 4, 40 by 2, and our result is 20. So our median value is 20. So median is 20. If you use this formula also telling the same thing. Half means to find the average. Which values average you have to find out? N by 2 means 8 by 2 means 4th, plus n by 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5th observation. 5th term and 4th terms sum you have to find out, then you have to find divided by 2. Understood, students? This is the way when you can find out the median of any even numbers. Thank you, students.